In this practical example we will model a Venetian window for a small residence. A Venetian window consists of a window made of blades, made of wood or metal, that form cracks, obscuring the environment, but allowing air to enter. Let's start by opening the available file. See that we have the walls of the residence, with the respective doors and windows, and we will use the dorm span as a reference to model the Venetian. In the View tab, Visual Styles panel we activate the 2D wireframe viewing style, leaving all edges visible, which will make it easier to capture remarkable points. In the Home tab, Modeling panel, we trigger Box. With the help of the midpoint and endpoint precision tools, we specify the dimensions for the command by clicking with the left mouse button on the vertices. See, we have a box that we'll use for window modeling. We return to the realistic viewing style. We right-click on the walls and see a shortcut menu for quick access to commands relevant to the current activity. In Isolate, we select Isolate Objects. We click with the left mouse button on the box intended for window modeling, isolating it in the scene for easy modeling. In the sequence, we will create the window sill. In the Solid tab, Solid Editing panel, we trigger Offset Edge and click on one of the faces of the box. At the command line, we type D for the distance option and confirm by typing Enter. Next, we type 0.3 and hit Enter. Click on the face again and press Enter to exit the command. See, we create a polyline parallel to the outer contour of the face of the box. In the Home tab, Modeling panel, we trigger Press Pull. We click on the face of the box and direct the subtraction. To conclude, we click once again with the left mouse button, ending the subtraction. Look, we have the window sill modeled. The next step will be to create the amounts of one of the sheets, which are the structures that support the glazing in windows, doors, window walls, among others. For this, we will do a procedure similar to that used to create the stop, keep track. You see, we have the amounts of one of the leaves and we will then create another box to represent the Venetian. In the Home tab, Modeling panel, we trigger Box. With the precision tools, we specify the dimensions of the base of the box, clicking with the left mouse button on the vertices. For height we type 0.1 and confirm by typing Enter. So we have a box to model one of the blades. Let's tilt 30 degrees to create the drip look. We trigger 3D Rotate, select the box and confirm by typing Enter. We specify the base point and axis for rotation, clicking with the left button of the mouse. We enter 30 for the angle of inclination and press Enter to confirm, tilting the box. Next, we change the viewing style to 2D wireframe and apply 0.00 rounding 5 on some edges. OK, we have one of the pattern blades and then we can create copies to complete one of the sheets. We trigger rectangular array, select the blade and confirm by typing Enter. For rows and columns, we type 1. For levels we type 43. For the distance between levels we type 0.02. We finish by clicking on Close Array. Look at the result, we have a completed sheet. Let's copy the sheet, keep up. See the final result in the realistic preview style and with all the objects in the scene. We conclude this example, where we modeled in practice a Venetian window for a small residence, recalling important commands for AutoCAD 3D modeling.